Alright, welcome to this tutorial on how to embed a Google Calendar on your website. So what you simply do is you go up to the top right hand corner, click on this icon right here, scroll down to Calendar. On the left hand side you're going to see a number of different calendars you have. You can select the calendar you want, or you can select all of them. In this case we're going to use this calendar right here. You click on this little hamburger, settings, and sharing. Scroll down right here to the bottom and it says integrate calendar, embed code, and you can simply just copy that code and embed it, or if you wanted to you can customize it and change colors, heights, width, etc. and then copy the code. Go over to the back end of your website. In this case, we're using a Joomla website. You click New. You go over to Code. Rather than using the editor, you're going to have to embed it as code. Simply copy and paste. Calendar. Save. And there you go. That's how to embed a calendar on your website.